welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you guys a really easy and delicious recipe. This is my mother's recipe on how to make Camarones al Mojo de Ajo, or shrimp cooked and marinated in garlic. So good. You can make it with rice, you can make them with pasta, or you can just eat them as a taco. They're delicious and super simple. So if you want to learn how I make my Camarones al Mojo de Ajo, please keep watching. And if you haven't subscribed, I invite you to subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. For today's video, we're going to need butter, 3 limes, crushed red pepper, smoked paprika, shrimp bouillon, 1 red onion, garlic cloves, olive oil, sea salt, ground black pepper, and about 2 pounds of shrimp. So first thing we're going to do is you have to decide if you want to cook them with the peel or without it. Now, I happen to like the skin if I'm going to eat it with rice. Obviously, if I'm going to eat it with my tacos or with pasta, I'll remove the skin. But when I'm going to eat it with my rice, I like to leave the skin on because it's just more flavorful and juicy, and I don't mind peeling as I eat. However, if you mind peeling as you eat, then go ahead and peel them fully. But in my case, I'm not going to because I love the garlic and all the juices to just sit under the skin. And so when I peel it and just suck on the shrimp, it's so good. So what I'm going to do is just cut from the back of the shrimp. I'm gonna make a straight line like this and clean out the little black little, what is it, the little, looks like a little poop line. You clean it out. And you're gonna do this with all your shrimp. You're just gonna cut them in the back and clean them out. Now these are already pre-cleaned since I cleaned them a while back. So all I have to do is, for the most part, oh, and here you can see there's a little bit, and you just clean it out. Like I said, if you prefer to have them peeled, just go ahead and peel them, or if you're gonna make them in pasta or in tacos, they're still good. I mean, that's how I'd make them if I'm eating tacos, but today I'm eating them with rice. Next, we're going to slice our onion. And these are organic onions from this lady up north, and my mom always purchases vegetables from her, and they're super delicious. Now once our garlic is all chopped up, we're going to put it in a bowl along with the rest of the ingredients that we're going to use to marinate. So we have our bowl with our minced garlic, and I'm going to add about 1/4 of a cup of oil. I'm going to add some black pepper, about a teaspoon of black pepper, about a teaspoon of paprika, a tablespoon of crushed red pepper, and about a teaspoon of shrimp bouillon, and a pinch of sea salt. Now, we're going to throw our shrimp in here to marinate for about 10 minutes. So you want to make sure. I love using my hands when I'm like trying to marinate everything because I know I'm grabbing everything. Alrighty, now that I've finished mixing my shrimp with the garlic and all the other seasonings, I'm going to add the juice of 3 lemons And this is going to marinate for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now we're gonna give it one more mix and cover it up and put it in the fridge for about 10 minutes before we cook. All right, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to heat a medium-sized pan and we're going to melt some butter. And this is roughly about 5 tablespoons. Once your butter is nice and melted, we're going to add our sliced onion. We don't need to add anything else such as garlic or anything like that because we marinated the shrimp in it. So we're going to cook the onion until it's like a nice translucent color. So I'm going to say about 2 to 3 minutes. Now that our onion has been cooking for about 2 minutes, we're going to add our shrimp. And we're going to cook our shrimp anywhere between 6 to 8 minutes. You don't want to overcook the shrimp because then it gets rubbery and you'll notice it overcooks when it just starts curling really tight. So you want to make sure you don't overcook it. Just until it gets this nice little reddish orangey tint of color. I'll show you guys what it should look like. So you see half of this is a dark gray color and the other half is a nice orange color. You want that orange color throughout the whole shrimp. Now as we can see, most of the shrimps are getting this really nice orangey color, and this is exactly what we're looking for. Oops. This nice orange color. We got a few more minutes till all the shrimps are cooked, and then we're ready to serve them on a bed of rice. And I'll go ahead and link that video below if you guys want to make the rice with the shrimp recipe as well. Here's a close-up. They look so good. And here is a close-up. I garnished the shrimp with some parsley and of course some lime wedges. And there is the rice, and like I said, I'll link that in a video below. Alright guys, and there you have it. This delicious meal under 15 minutes to make. The rice takes about 15 minutes to cook and the shrimp about 8. Super simple, super delicious, and it can be as fancy as you want. I'm gonna go ahead and pair it with some Wilson's Creek Riesling for me and my fiance. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, if you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.